Okay, thank you so much. First of all, thanks for joining. And I'm Irfan from Bangladesh. Part you have to be consistent, and like if you
Hmm.
have like you can say algorithm, Facebook, YouTube, and Meta, and every algorithm that they want only you to be consistent. Okay, like if you have 5 videos to upload, then you have to upload 5 videos at least one a week. They are like this, okay, that YouTube can understand you are consistent on YouTube, so it helps you to reach more people, and they find you, yes, this channel and this creator is active.
Like what my actual business is, because I don't see a lot of people from Asia or from Europe buying houses in Vermont, living here, but that number should be very small as far as the subscribers go for the channel. They're just watching videos, and I don't. That's not helping at all. But my business is selling and buying houses
Mm-hmm.
and advertising the houses that are for sale. That want to buy this house, and I take them to it, and it's a dump. It's a really crappy, not good house, and I don't ever want to go to it again. I'll video it. I'll video it and I'll make fun of it as I'm like, oh, look at that great closet or that broken window, and I'll make a joke and I'll joke and be shitty about it and do stuff. So I'll try to make a funny video. Like that was the last one with the 5 videos, or because the person that called me up for it is from Florida and they want to move to Vermont. And I think that's funny too because they're in a very nice place. Florida's nice. They don't have shitty winter, right? We have like 5 feet of snow and it's cold and freezing, right? And they have nice beautiful sun and sand, right, and not winter. You know what I mean?
Yes, I
so,
understand.
so like, what's in your head? You're nuts. So, anyway, but um that, so like there's some humor that I come out into the channel too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Get better uh thumbnails, right?
Mm-hmm.
And better.
Use, yes, there are a lot of people will watch the videos, but will not everyone will convert to your clients. Okay,
Yeah.
it's a very slow process to increasing the viewers, subscribers, or these things, because it's not directly helping you to get the sales. It's helping you to grow. I suggest you, if you want to get the results, I mean quicker results, then you can use YouTube ads. It will be best for you. Like you can run YouTube ads for your, like, I mean, buying houses, collecting leads, and to your
Yeah.
targeted audience. It will be best for you. So I think you should think about it, that what is your goal and in which direction you want to move on. Okay, Mac.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.